Hey everybody, we're in Cambridge today. Alan's on the job, and I'm here with Zoltan. Just wanted to see what your experience has been so far with Alan.
Alan's done a great job. Got here right when he said he was at 8 o'clock in the morning, started working, went through all three sides and doing a fantastic job. It's a great concept. The steel pole inserts with cement. I can't see this moving in 15, 20 years.
Wonderful, thank you. Yeah, Alan did an awesome job. He just has to level out the post now, drop his concrete, and away we go. Give us a show.